Choo, choo, choo. The shape train is here. Circle, circle, round and round. No corners anywhere to be found. A ball is round, a wheel is too. Circle rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Square, square, strong and neat. Four equal sides, four corners meet. A box is square, a window too. Square rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. Two long sides, two short sides. A door is tall, a book is too. Rectangle rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Triangle, triangle, three sides clear. Three pointy corners right here. A roof up high, a warning sign too. Triangle rides the train. Choo, choo, choo. Star, star, shining bright. Five little points twinkle light. In the sky or on the tree. Star rides the train, come ride with me. Choo, choo, train goes down the track. Shapes say bye. They'll be back.
One sheep, two sheep, three sheep, four sheep, five sheep, six sheep, seven sheep, eight sheep, nine sheep, 10 sheep, 11 sheep, 12 sheep, 13 sheep, 14 sheep, 15 sheep, 16 sheep, 17 sheep, 18 sheep, 19 sheep, 20 sheep.
A is for apple. 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 A apple. B is for ball. 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 B ball. C is for cat. 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 C cat. D is for dog. 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 D dog. E is for egg. Egg. E egg. F is for fish. 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 F fish. G is for goat. Goat. G goat. H is for hat. Hat. H hat. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. 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 J juice. K is for kite. Kite. K kite. L is for lion. 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 L lion. M is for monkey. Monkey.
white zebra.
Subscribe for more.